Einstein rightly said, with each choice you make, you create your life. Hello everyone, my name is Gagandeep Kaur and I am working as a project assistant under the government-sponsored Curie grant at Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar. My choice of joining KMB 8 years back has indeed created my life. In the final year of my MSc, I have joined as a project assistant and it's now been almost 3 years. KMB, especially the physics department, has played a great role in my personal and professional growth. The Department of Physics is sponsored by several prestigious government bodies including the FIST, DST, DBT, DAE and the Curie grant from the Government of India. We have modern and well-equipped labs. Our faculty are not just great teachers, they are also experienced researchers and recognized PhD guides. We also have national and international collaborations with COE College USA, ENAIA Italy, TIFR and BARC Mumbai, IUAC Delhi, giving students opportunities to work in top labs and pursue research careers in India and abroad. Our students has also done well at international conferences. Recently, some of them presented their work at conferences in Kolkata and Tirupati and won awards. One of our proud students, Ms. Loveleen Kaur, has been selected as a graduate assistant at Rutgers University, USA. Another student, Ms. Haramanpreet Kaur, who is also working as a project assistant, has received a travel grant of worth $2,500 to present her research at the GOMB 2025 conference in Vancouver, Canada. In addition to the research achievements, many of our students clear national level exams like CSIR, NET, GATE and IIT JAM every year, which opens doors to the higher education and research careers. Our department is also proud to be the first and only Anveshika Center in Punjab under the NANI initiative led by Padam Shri Professor H.C. Verma, which promotes experimental learning in physics. At KMB, students don't just learn physics, they live it. We believe in empowering young women with the tools of science and the confidence to pursue careers in research, industry and beyond. If you are passionate about physics and wants a space that supports your curiosity and talent, then KMB is the place to be.